belt sanders versus CrashPads. So today I'm going to run my arms on a pair of running belt sanders, and then I'm going to heal one side with CrashPads bandages and the other with conventional bandages. Now, why would I do something so very stupid? Well, it was the only scientific way I could think of to prove to you how amazing CrashPads are. So by the end of this, if you're convinced that CrashPads are the best available bandage, all I want you to do is pledge to buy a box. So the next time you or the crazy athlete in your family gets scraped up, you're going to be ready. Is that a deal? Okay then. Wait a minute. Safety first. Okay. It took a little more effort than I thought, but I think that'll be good enough for a test. You know, you only get one try, right? So, yeah, we got some skin in the game.